Hey everybody, Neil Thompson from Teach the Geek here. I work with technical professionals so they can present more effectively, especially in front of non-technical audiences. If you'd like to learn more about that, you can go to teachthegeek.com. Again, that's teachthegeek.com. Today, I'd like to talk a bit about how to structure a presentation. And I'm a big fan of starting at the end and working your way backwards. So what I mean by that is you start with what the call to action is. What do you want people to do after the presentation? And once you figure out what that is, you work backwards. You figure out what point you need to make that will point to your call to action. And then you figure out what the introduction needs to be, which will point to the points, which then points to the call to action. So what's an example of this? I've mentioned in previous videos that I used to work in medical devices as a product development engineer, and I had to give presentations on a monthly basis in front of senior management. And these presentations had to do with project status updates. So perhaps a call to action for one of these meetings, one of these presentations would be to I need more resources to finish the project, or at least to proceed to the next phase of the project. So what kind of information do I need to present that would lead to that call to action that I need more resources? Well, perhaps the points would have to do with the work that has been done already, the work that is currently in process, and then the work that is yet to be done. So then I think those are my 3 points. What can my introduction be? Perhaps my introduction could be a story about one of the tasks that have already been done. And once I come up with the story for that, that will naturally lead to those points about what's been done, what's currently being done, and what needs to be done, which will then naturally lead to that call to action. I need more resources to get what needs to be done. So that's essentially it on how to structure a presentation, especially if you're talking to a non-technical audience and you're a technical person. I had to give these presentations in front of management. And so I started with the call to action. For instance, I need more resources, figure out what the points are. Point one, what work has been done. Point two, what work is currently being done. What work is currently being done, yeah. And point three, what work still needs to be done. And then the intro. An intro could possibly be a story about a task that has been done. And there you go, the structure for your presentation. Hopefully that's been helpful. Again, my name is Neil Thompson. I'm the founder of Teach the Geek. I work with technical professionals so they can present more effectively, especially in front of non-technical audiences. And you can learn more about that at teachthegeek.com. Again, that's teachthegeek.com. Until next time, take care and stay safe.